Good morning, students. Today we are discussing the objectives of corporate governance. What are the objectives of corporate governance? The fundamental objective of corporate governance is to maximize shareholders' value and protect the interest of other stakeholders. The main aim of good corporate governance is to ensure commitment of the board in managing the company in a transparent manner for maximizing long-term value of the company for its shareholders and all other partners. It integrates all the participants involved in a process. Let us explain the important objectives of corporate governance. Firstly, increasing shareholders' wealth. The main objective of corporate governance is to protect the long-term interest of the shareholders. Studies show that firms with strong corporate governance structures are seen to have higher valuation for their shares. Good corporate governance is perceived by the market as an incentive for shareholders to invest in the company. That is, a strong corporate governance maintains investors' confidence, as a result of which company can raise capital efficiently and effectively. And so there is a positive impact on the share price. One of the objectives of good corporate governance is to ensure a higher degree of transparency in an organization by encouraging full disclosure of transactions in the company accounts. Full disclosure includes compliance with regulations and any information important to the shareholders. For example, if a manager has a close connection with suppliers or has a vested interest in a contract, it must be disclosed. Transparency involves disclosure of all forms of conflict of interest. Then next objective is accountability. Corporate governance is to encourage accountability of the management to the company directors and the accountability of directors to the shareholders. Through hiring independent directors, a company aims to create good corporate governance. The compensation of the chief executive officer has to be approved by the company directors to ensure that the compensation structure is fair and in the best interest of the shareholders. Any discrepancy in the company accounts or malfunctioning is closely watched by the board of directors, and the board has a right to question strategic decisions. This is the objective of accountability. Next objective is equitable treatment of shareholders. Corporate governance should also ensure equitable treatment of all the shareholders of the company. In some organizations, a particular group of shareholders remains active due to their high position and may be better able to protect their interest. Such groups of shareholders include high net worth individuals and institutions that hold a major proportion of their portfolio invested in the company. However, the structure of the corporate governance must be designed to treat all shareholders equally. That is, an equitable treatment of shareholders. And next objective is self-evaluation. Corporate governance allows firms to evaluate their behavior before they are scrutinized by regulatory bodies. Firms with a strong corporate governance system seldom face regulatory risk and fines. An active and independent board can successfully point out the loopholes in the company operations and help to solve issues internally. In addition to the above explained objectives, a corporate governance has various other objectives to strengthen the investors' confidence, which may lead to fast growth and profits of the companies, such as good corporate governance ensures corporate success and economic growth, and a strong corporate governance maintains investors' confidence, and as a result of which the company can raise the capital effectively and efficiently, and it also lowers the capital cost and it provides proper inducement to the owners as well as the management to attain the objectives, or to fulfill the interest of the shareholders and of the organization. Good corporate governance also minimize wastage, corruption, risk and mismanagement. It helps in brand formation and development. It ensures organization in managed in a manner that best fits to the interest of the all stakeholders. That is, a properly structured board proficient of taking independent and objective decisions is in place at the helm of affairs. The board is balanced as regards the representation of suitable number of non-executive and independent directors who will take care of the interest and well-being of all the stakeholders. The board accepts transparent procedures and practices and arrives at decisions on the strength of adequate information. The board has an effective mechanism to understand the concerns of stakeholders. The board keeps the shareholders informed of relevant developments impacting the company. The board effectively and regularly monitors the functioning of the management team. The board remains in effective control of the affairs of the company at all times. So this is about objectives of corporate governance.